So I'm making this for second fucking time. Just now I came, few moments back, I came back from a tea, and I find one more evidence I found that the published data, everything, the folder itself has disappeared. Disappeared with what? Drives are changed. Or officers what they said, drives are not changed. मैं क्या करूँ? मैं क्या करूँ? उसको बोला था क्या ऐसा रिपोर्ट, झूठा रिपोर्ट लिखने के लिए? The file is published and the file is missing with the it's in the drive which is disappeared. मैं बोला था कि बोलने के लिए ऐसा झूठा रिपोर्ट लिखने के लिए कि नथिंग इज रॉन्ग. उसको बताया भी ये थे कि क्या है कॉन्फ़िगरेशन थे कभी का दिखा रहा बोला नहीं नहीं अपडेट हो गया. वेयर इज द फोल्डर देन, वेयर इज द वेब हिस्ट्री देन. समझ में? तो इट्स नॉट माई फॉक. Look, from this you come to know get that uh, drives are changed. Not drives don't get changed by hacking. They have to do. They have to get physical to device, right? And the drive which they have put, they have configured in 2020. That means from 2020 they were stealing the data, matlab doing that ugly stuff, and in Lenovo. But in Dell, they were doing it the day I bought Dell. Within 4 minutes, first thing which I did was Devil Rocky. Within 4 minutes, they stole it. So, but in Lenovo, drive was configured 2020 somewhere 3rd May 2020. So the drive cloner. Then they switched the drive after stealing. But publish किया वो काम भी गया है ना वहाँ पे. समझ में आया क्या? Publish data is also one thing. It's not my fuck up. मैं बोला भी look what is happening. So कॉन्फ़िगरेशन करने के लिए भी उनको फिजिकल होना पड़ा रहेगा. फिजिकल ना, हैकिंग से तो नहीं होएगा. How you get it? What's happening?